Here we find the rare species of Megan Walters in her natural habitat.
Contacting zoos.
Well, kind of.
Huh?
She's emailing all sorts of zoos. Day 2.
Right now, I'm sending the email to the San Diego Zoo asking to be able to film at their location, which is really intimidating because they're a really big zoo and awesome, but I'm super excited because if they say yes, it'll be like a dream come true, so keep us in your prayers on that.
And I'm contemplating my nails, and I should probably cut them or file them into claws. Either one. Day 2 headed out of the campsite. Megan's driving. We're gonna go probably peek through the old downtown area and then head over to the zoo. So we'll check out what this downtown area is like. We got trains and trains, some more trains, and a granary. Big old silos. Dave Steel Company since 1929.
Biltmore Estate is somewhere around here. Kind of trying to find it. See if we can just drive by it.
North Carolina. Yum. I mean, yay. Look at all those train tracks. So many train tracks. It's another bridge. Over some waters. Carrier Park, French Ford River Park. I think this is a French Ford River Park. There's a bunch of old people over there in that pavilion. Methinks that they're playing bingo. Bingo! Oh, it's a nice little river walk area. Stretch your legs a little bit. So here we are, discussing the facts of life and quandaries of the universe, debating existentialism and the realities of existence. It's interesting.
Really? We're just listening to the cars.
You're listening to the cars. I'm debating with myself how the human nature came about.
Very deep.
And why we like bacon so much. Bacon's good. Alright, I go here. I go here and win.
Way to go. Alright.
That's a big tic-tac-toe board. It's a tie.
We're too good for each other.
I win. No, you broke my line! Funky little cove, but pretty cool. We enjoyed that. Now I have to go grab some food before going to the next zoo. Or nature center as it is. This is a nature center. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, thank you. Here we go. Come on. Alright, so we're here at the Western North Carolina Nature Center. About to do an interview with the mountain lions. Matthew's setting up his camera stuff, getting everything ready to go. And then we'll proceed to go around and get some shots of some of the other animals here as well. So.
And don't turn the camera on this side. It doesn't work.
Okay, whatever.
Yes, the side.
Huh?
Put it down on the side of it. There you go. Here we see Megan in her natural habitat. Megan is a species of human that really enjoys photographing the mountain lion, or the cougar, or the Florida panther, or any other of another 100,000 names they're all called. Because they're all the same cat, with different names. And now you get to see a little bit of the glass that's all dirty and smeared by little children.
Yeah, they're all in the den.
What's that?
They're all in the den.
Both of them are in here, yeah.
Hey, well.
There we go. Now you can see the kitty cats. They're sleeping all together and cuddling. Aren't they adorable?
See it? Come here. Come back. Look. See this on the bowl? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. May your dreams be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.